Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this fabulous Acer SB270 monitor. There's a couple things that I really like about this monitor. One is the display. I've seen this monitor being used and used it myself for gaming type software, and the display was just beautiful. We used it for Flight Simulator, and the scenery was gorgeous, and I thought that this monitor did a great job displaying back what we wanted to see on our game. Another thing I really like is the size. It's nice and big. If you're looking for something to fill the back of your desk so you can see beautifully and clearly when you're working or you're gaming, I think that this is a great size. And it's nice and thin. This one is beautifully thin, sits on your desk without taking up a lot of horizontal space. And you've got all the connections that you need in the back. So really just a beautiful monitor, and I hope that you will like it as much as I do. And that's my point of view.